National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 9:30 p.m. At 9:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Lisbon, or 12 miles south of Salem, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Salem, Columbiana, and Leetonia around 9:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hunterdon, New Garden, Guilford Lake State Park, and Winninga. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio,